In a bombshell revelation, Senator Ron Wyden, the Democratic chairman of the Senate Finance Committee, has accused Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas of failing to disclose additional private flights provided by wealthy conservative donor Harlan Crow. Wyden stated that records from U.S. Customs and Border Protection show that in November 2010, Justice Thomas and his wife, Virginia, traveled from Hawaii to New Zealand and back on Crow's private jet, with Crow himself as a passenger. This trip was never reported by Justice Thomas on his annual financial disclosure forms, raising concerns about the extent of the relationship between the two men. Wyden said, "I am deeply concerned that Mr. Crow may have been bestowing lavish gifts upon a public official, subsequently deducting those gifts to reduce his tax obligations." Wyden's letter is part of a broader inquiry into the relationship between Crow and Justice Thomas, as Democrats continue to push for major changes to the Supreme Court, including an enforceable code of conduct. A representative for Crow dismissed Wyden's inquiries as lacking legal merit and an attempt to harass a private individual, stating that Crow's legal team has already addressed the senator's concerns. As the investigation unfolds, the spotlight remains firmly on Justice Thomas and the Supreme Court's ethical standards, with the potential for far-reaching consequences for the nation's highest court.